What's good, guys? It's your boy Keith, aka Sneak Killer 215. Man, go ahead, y'all. Clap it up, y'all. Yes, sir. I'm hitting you guys back to back because I got some free time right now. Go ahead and get those out of the way. And starting with this one right here, which is something I ordered from Nike.com, and it finally came in. The Jordan 1 Mid Taxi. All right. So we're gonna break this box down. First of all, let me open up the box. Regular Jordan 1 Mid box, okay? Just a regular Jordan 1 box. You got the 23, golden 23 on the tissue paper, of course, right there. Take out the first layer. Boom, still got more tissue paper. Boom, guys. Look at this. Look, behold, feast your eyes. This right here, I ordered like a few weeks ago. Actually, I ordered this a week and a half ago. It came in literally like, what, 4 days ago, whatever. So let me get these out. Nike is pretty fast with the deliveries. I'm telling you guys right now. If you can get anything off Nike.com, yeah. Go ahead and get it, man. I'm trying to tell you, like, Nike be fast with everything they do. Put that over there. Check this out. Check this out. Look at that. Look at this. Black and yellow, they just go so well together. Well, you feel me? And this is the mid, by the way. The high is releasing pretty soon. I'm gonna go ahead and get those too. Okay, so let me break this down real quick. We got yellow everywhere. We got taxi everywhere, first of all. Okay, yellow, black, and white. Starting off with the toe box. Black toe box, followed by yellow, white midsole, and then we have yellow bottom for taxi bottom. Boom. Pretty decent shoe. The build quality is great. Okay. The color blocking is great. I don't see nothing wrong with this shoe. I don't know why some people don't like mids. Why don't you guys like mids? Like, stop hating on mids. Who said that? Who said that? Frank. Frank said that. Yeah, Frank. I'm with you, Frank. Y'all, stop hating on mids, bro. Like, seriously, y'all need to stop hating on mids. Like, even the lows. Lows is, I like lows, but I like mids also. And I like high of them all. You feel what I'm saying? So high is my favorite of them all. Low is like second favorite, and then mids is like, okay. The reason why I say mids is the last, because if high is my all-time favorite, then these are pretty much high too. You feel what I'm saying? But they're just like, what, an inch difference? Anyways, shout out to my boy Frank. You feel what I'm saying? Stay focused, Frank. Here we go, man. We got black swoosh right there. Got a black Jordan Air Nike, whatever this says, Air Jordan right there. Got black Air Jordan right there. Look at that. Look at the design. Awesome. Got black right there. Black on the ankle. You feel what I'm saying? The leather quality is basic. You know, like all the mids. Not all of them. This is not an SE. This is just a regular mid. So like the leather quality is pretty much basic. It's not tumbled or nothing like that. It's just straight up regular leather. So yeah, I got a goldenrod right here. I want to do a comparison real quick. So I got a Dunk goldenrod right here. Same action. Black, yellow. You feel what I'm saying? Black and yellow type stuff, man. So we're gonna go ahead and give a comparison. Oh yeah, I got this from StockX, by the way. Right. So this one is lighter. This one is more so of a darker yellow, like a taxi yellow difference. Let me go ahead and show you guys like two. This is the high, this is the Dunk. See? Lighter, it's lighter on the yellow for the Dunk, and it's darker on the yellow for the taxi, the mid. Okay? So yeah, there's a review coming on this too, by the way. Stay tuned. Like, I got reviews coming everywhere. Jesus. Stay tuned, you guys. So yeah, pretty much a decent shoe. Had to get it because like I want the whole collection, by the way. I have the lows coming, so stay tuned for that review for that. The high is different from the mid. I got a review dropping on that. Stay tuned for the on feet on these. Got a review coming on that. Oh man, these are nice. These are nice. So yeah, if you're looking to cop up or anything like that, hit my link below. You feel what I'm saying? I got Instagram. You can hit me up on. I sell only 9.5s and some 9s. You feel what I'm saying? So if you're looking for a 9.5 shoe, whatever, you can't find them for a decent price, let me know, man. I got you guys covered. You feel what I'm saying? Go ahead, hit me up on Instagram. Link is below. You feel what I'm saying? Give your boy a follow. I got TikTok going too, so go ahead, hit me up on TikTok too. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, that's about it for these shoes, man. That's about it for these shoes. Give them one more look around. It's not really much to say about these. These are mids. Not really much to say. I love them, by the way. Don't mind me saying mids and make you think I don't like mids, but I love mids. I have a whole collection of mids over here. Whole collection. But yeah, On Feet coming to you guys right now.